everyone and welcome to another video. So I'm in the most random location today. I am in the loft. This is my loft. It is quite big up here, but it is very messy. Since we moved in, Since we moved in 2 years ago, this has just accumulated and it's just a load of rubbish and just stuff that we don't need downstairs. So this is what it looks like right now. How crazy. Issa is up here because he just didn't want to go downstairs and play. It is quite warm in here. We've closed the thing so he can't go down the hole. But I do feel like if he stands on it, it will open. So you need to watch him very carefully. But I'm going to try and organise this loft as much as I can, just so that I kind of know what's in here, where everything is, and that kind of thing. So that's what I'm going to do. It's a bit scary up here because obviously like spiders and stuff. I've put this light on so that you can see a bit better because it's only got these little lights here, which is not very bright. Also, if anyone knows what this is, please let me know because I have no idea. It's very weird. So let me show you around the loft. So here we've got a suitcase, car seat, suitcase, travel bag. We've got some toys, so suitcase, some more toys, and we've got bags of like clothes and blankets and boxes, and then we've got some soft toys here. We've got some clothes in boxes, a sewing machine, an ironing board, some paper, a trunkie, and just random things. There's like boxes of the kids' clothes when they were younger, a box of random stuff, boxes with clothes again, and then there's just random stuff, push chairs that I don't use anymore. And yeah, so it's just a lot of stuff going on really. Also there's like paint and stuff as well. Put it down, put it down. So I've just looked over there and there's just a big mess on the floor, so I'm gonna need like a dustpan and brush and a hoover maybe, and maybe like a duster and things like that. So I need to go back down and get these things before I start putting things in places. Come on, let's go downstairs. I have a dustpan and brush, I have a duster, and I have a hoover. I have some bags to put any rubbish in that I don't want. So I'm going to be sorting out the floor over here so that I can start putting things on the floor over here. So this is what it looks like now. There's just a lot of brick mess and just rubbish. So I'm going to sweep that all up and put it into a bag. Okay, so in this space here, I'm going to put all the pushchairs and everything because I don't want to sell them yet because it's just effort during this time. I should have done it before really, but I didn't get a chance. So I'm going to be putting them all to the side over here, and the car seats as well. So that's what I'm going to do now. We also have some tiles for the kitchen over here. I forgot how heavy these pushchairs are. Oh my god. That makes it a little bit more spacious, a bit more room to move around. So the next thing I'm going to do is move all the paint buckets and put them right next to the car seats over here. So the paint buckets are all there. The next thing I'm going to do is get the suitcases and the trunkie and put those by the stairs. It is so hot up here, guys. I don't know how I'm surviving right now. Next, I'm going to sort out these boxes. I'm going to put these boxes over there by the suitcases. There's also some clothes and stuff in these boxes which I need to sort through to see if I want to keep them. And then also I'm going to take a box downstairs and sort out my wardrobe. So I'm going to put all of the clothes that I don't want to wear soon in them, like the winter clothes and ones that are just too warm, and the ones that I never reach for recently because it's just been too hot for them. So I'm going to put these over here so I can do that in a minute. Then we have Issa's old clothes, which I feel like I need to get rid of some of them. Okay, change of plan. So we've got a lot of boxes with the kids' old clothes in, which they will never really use again. So I'm going to be putting those at the back. I might sell them, but I'm a very sentimental person when it comes to my kids' clothes. I don't know why. So I'm going to be putting them at the back here, and I can see cobwebs right next to my face, which is scary. So here I've got a washing basket which is empty. I don't know what this is for. I might make use of it and put some kind of stuff in here. I don't know. There's like little boxes for things like clippers and just random things. So I'm going to put this in the corner over there and then fill it with things that I don't know what to do with. Starting to feel really sneezy now. Next job is to sort out some of these boxes. I don't know what's in them. I need to look through. It just needs to be kind of sorted out. I'm getting really hot and really sneezy now. All the dust is just getting up my nose. So I am going to have a little break and then I'm going to come back and finish it off. But I'm just going to carry on sorting this out first and then I'm going to go have a break. Okay, that will do for now. I'm going to come back in a little bit and do the rest. As I'm going down, I'm going to take the boxes that have my clothes in. I'm going to sort those out while I'm just like having a little break downstairs. So I am back. It's been about 20 minutes. I sorted out those two boxes. Let's move on. So I'm just going to put this. It's just got books inside it. In this corner where I put all the other books. And then this box here has like painting things in. So like dust sheets and paintbrushes and rollers and things like that. So I'm going to put that over there where the paint tins are. Looking a lot better now. Excuse the state of me today, I just look like crazy. But basically this whole side is done. So this is what it looks like now. Isn't that just so much better? So now I'm gonna just sweep up a little bit more in this area because there was the box on the floor and I just want to make sure there's no extra dust that doesn't need to be there. That is sorted. Now I'm going to move on to doing the other side. That's the side that I've been dreading because there's like blankets and things like that. Also, I don't think I showed you this, but how creepy is that? There's a whale, like a big stuffed animal whale. It freaked me out the first time I ever saw it and it's just been there since we moved in. Okay, let me show you what I'm working on. So I've got these bags and boxes and I've got fan and a fan heater down here and then like push chairs and things like that. So I'm going to sort all of that out. Plan is, I don't even know what the plan is. I'm going to move the fans to over there because they're easy to grab. So if we need it in the summer, we can just grab it from there. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's in this bag. I'm a bit scared to look, really, because it is heavy. Okay, so it is a lot of duvet covers. We used to have a double bed, but we got a king size bed now, so we don't need all of these duvet covers. I'm just gonna put this bag over here because we don't really need it. Moving on, we have this box. I don't know what's in here, honestly. I don't really know what the heck. Oh, I'm a bit scared to look in here because there's like cobwebs on there. Okay, let's just do it, let's do it. So there's lots of DVDs. Borat. Smoking Aces. Lord of the Rings. This is a non-slip mat. I found some wires that we might need, so I've taken those out and put them by there to take down. And this is just DVDs basically, and so that is just gonna go over here as well. I'm actually gonna make up this other box and put in, there's some paper over there, can you see the printer paper, which I didn't know we had, which is nice. So yeah, I'm gonna put that into here. Okay, so all of that side is completely done. There's no random things on the floor area. So the floor is all clear. It's just all around the edges, which is hard to show you because this beam is in the way. And then let me show you what I'm working on. Excuse the whale. All of these things here need to be sorted out. So I'm going to start with these boxes. Put them over there where I said I was going to put them, and then I got distracted. Also, this box has got hangers in it, which I don't think I need this many hangers in my life. Oh, also this box needs to go on that side, so I'm going to do that. I thought I'd show you in this box because this is Elisa's first stuff. This box was actually given to me by one of my sister's friends, Sarah, who is like one of the loveliest people that I've ever met. I know you've watched my videos, Sarah. No, I'm not just saying it because of that. So in here I have Elisa's first ever outfit. She wore this. This is the first ever vest that she wore. Look how tiny he is. And then this is the first ever snowsuit that I bought for her. And then this one was her coming home outfit, which is just a velvet baby grow. So cute. But anyway, enough of that. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing now, so I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing before I do it. So I'm just going to do what I can and you can watch me do it. I found a bag full of dresses that probably no longer fit me. The first one is this one, which is literally massive. It's size 16, so it won't fit me anymore. So that is gonna have to go. And then we have this dress, which I wore on Eid. And I feel like these dresses you can wear when you're any kind of weight because they're just so flattering. Okay, so this is that one. That's actually so pretty. I'm like, I really like it. I'm just going to fold them up and put them really nicely and then leave them up here because it's not every day that I will need one of these. Well, this is the dress that I wore to Bee's wedding, and I remember that Elisa was about 4 months old and I was so stressed out because it was like ladies only and I was on my own with a 4-month-old who needed to breastfeed, and she was not the best baby. So I was like in tears before and after the wedding. I've never told Bee this. Next I have this one. I love this dress. I'm gonna keep it. Next is not a dress, it's actually an abaya, but it's cute, it's nice, it's pretty. Next is this one, and I wore this on an Eid that I was extremely large, so this is the picture of me wearing this. I really liked it, but it's so heavy, oh my god. Next is this one, and I wore this one as well before I had kids, and it's beautiful, gorgeous. I love this dress. I just love this bright colour. Also in this bag is a pair of jeans. Oh my god, these were like my favourite jeans ever. I don't even think they're going to fit me. Look, they've got this little hoop thing on from when I was pregnant. I'm going to try them on. They might fit, you never know. Might have to get a belt with them. But they're like good summer jeans because they're not too tight. Put those downstairs. Over here as well there's a bag with that's supposed to have pillowcases in. I've just used it to put some more of Elisa and Isa's clothes in, and I'm going to put that over there with the rest of their stuff. There is a lot. Looking at it now, it just looks like a crazy amount. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put them over there now. I actually thought, why not put these over there as well, because we're not actually going to be using these anytime soon. Okay, so next we have this bag, which I'm not sure what's in here. Oh my god, this is memories. Oh my god. I used to do kickboxing when I was younger, and this was my top. So I've got a leather jacket, guys. This is the oldest leather jacket ever, but it kind of almost fits me again. But it is a bit ruined, like You see, it's a bit cracked. Oh my god, I remember this from back in the day. This was from Vera Moda. I remember the day I got this jacket. I love it. Very random. I have a top which is from Zara, and it's just a really silky kind of top. I love this top actually. I might take that down. Oh my god, this is so weird. I'm finding clothes that I haven't seen in years. I have this. Oh my god, I loved this top. This is like my style from 2015. Look at that. I remember wearing this in YouTube videos. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They're going downstairs. Okay, the rest of the stuff I'm just going to put back in this bag because it can be discovered at a later date. I might put these in the other bag. I'm going to put all of this stuff on that side of the room. Put all of the toys and stuff that we don't use anymore in here, but I feel like we need to take most of them to the tip or the charity shop because the bouncer, there's like poles missing from it, so they're not going to be any good unless I can find them, but I doubt it. Next step is the blankets. Oh my gosh, this is like the worst job ever. Let's go. I have some boxes which are just random boxes. This is the Instant Pop one. Most of the boxes that I have are under the stairs, but this one for some reason I bought it up, so I'm just going to put it to the side over there. I am so scared of moving this blanket. I don't know why. I'm just absolutely terrified of it, so I'm going to do it just because I have to do it. Ah! Okay, I still need to move most of it, but anybody who knows me will know that I am so scared of spiders. I have gotten a little bit better since I've had kids, but still, like, being up here, you should all be proud of me because this is like my nightmare, but it has to be done, so I'm doing it. Let's go, let's do the rest. Blankets, I don't know what to do with them, so I'll just probably leave them in a pile actually because I don't want to move them. Look how dirty it is. Oh my god, that's rank. I should just throw them back there and use it as like extra insulation. I wasn't joking. It is all done! Yay! Oh gosh, this was a long mission. All I need to do now is get the boxes that I took downstairs and bring them upstairs. So this is the after of the loft and it looks so much better, don't you think? Ignore the stuff on the floor over here and here and here because that is going to go downstairs. Here we go. Da, 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 da. I'm so proud of myself. Guys, my ironing board stays in the loft because I never use it. Also, I have a sewing machine which I never use anymore. I do want to kind of get back into sewing, but I don't have the time with the kids right now. Also, a stairgate, which I don't think it works properly. And this box has like just some random paperwork from Elisa, but I kind of want to do memory boxes for the kids that I have to keep in the loft, and that stuff's going to go in there. But yeah, this is how it looks. This is it. This is it. Look at it. I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, that is going to be the end of today's video because that was a mission and a half, and now I have to go downstairs and sort out downstairs, cook, everything like that. But thank you guys so much for cleaning my loft with me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!